Welcome, digital marketers. Today we are diving into 2025 top 10 Twitter's advertising tips that will transform your social media game. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, master your timing. Studies show that B2B tweets perform best during business hour, while B2C content shine on weekends. Using Twitter analytics to find when your audience is most active and schedule your ads accordingly. Tip number 2, harness the power of video. Twitter users use 3 times more likely to engage with tweets containing video content. Keep your video short, 15 seconds or less for the highest completion rates. Tip number 3, create thumb-stopping visual. Use highly contrast color or bold text overlays. Remember, 67% of Twitter users highly quality visual are most important factor in their engagement decision. Tip number 4, leverage strategic hashtag. Don't overdo it. 2 hashtags per tweet is the sweet spot. Research trending hashtags and your industry and create campaign-specific tags for better tracking. Tips number 5, write compelling copy. Keep it in concise but impactful. Use action words, create urgency, and always include a clear call action. Best performing ads often use questions or statistics to grab attentions. Tip number 6, target smart, not broad. Use Twitter advanced targeting option. Focus on interests, behavior, and lookalike audience based on your best customer. Tip number 7, test different ad formats. For example, carousel ads, promoted tweets, and Twitter moments. Each serve different purpose. Run A/B tests to find what resonates with your audience. Tip number 8, engage with responses. Don't just set and forget your ads. Response, comments, and questions within 24 hours. Engage rates by 50% when brand actively participate in conversion. Tip number 9, use Twitter cards. The rich media tweets drive 40% more engagement. Whether you are promoting a blog, post, or product, Twitter cards make your content stand out. And last but not least, monitor and adjust. Use Twitter campaigns dashboard to track key metrics. Focus on engagement rate, cost per engagement, and conversion rate. Adjust your strategy based on what the data tells you. Before I end up this, let me share you some 5 trusted sources where you can learn more about tweeting advertising. 1, Social Media Examiner. 2 is Buffer Social Blog. 3 is HubSpot Marketing Blog. 4 is Neil Patel Digital Marketing Blog. And last, Later Social Marketing Blog. These are the first sources you can use. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated more about digital marketing tips. Drop a comment below. Write your favorite trigger advertising tips. Bye-bye.